Yo, what's up guys? Taveras Media here, back with another video, and today is going to be a banger. Buckle up guys. I'm going to be making an amazing video, and I'm literally dropping a huge value bomb on this one because this is going to make your bot creation process so much more easier and more professional, guys, because honestly, the current bot providers that are in the market are not the best, and I think this bot provider, you already know of it, StackAI, is going to be literally the top dog on using it, right? So we're gonna be showing you how to create a real estate agency chatbot through only StackAI, and how I build a chatbot, and show you how functional and way better it is than the other chatbots and why it's even better, right? And I just want to say thank you guys so much. We hit 1,000 subscribers, guys. We literally did it 1 month ago. I was at 5 subscribers. Now I'm at 1,000 subscribers. This is a family. Like, this is amazing, guys. Thank you so much. And look at the views we're getting. 2,000, almost 2,000 views, 1.2 thousand, 500 views in a day, 1,000 views. Like, guys, we are just blowing up. You know, it's crazy, guys. So thank you all so much. I did promise I was going to be making a public free Discord, so stay tuned for that. We are actually in the works of creating it, so it should be releasing the next video or so, completely free. And guys, I'm also going to be giving you guys away free, fully built bot templates for like nothing. So I want to give you guys templates, right? So the templates that I always give out are always unfinished, and I want to give you guys templates that are on StackAI, right? And yeah, guys, let's just get straight into this video. Let's stop talking and let's go. All right, guys, so this is a bot that I created solely for real estate. This bot can scrape information off the website. It can scrape homes from a built-in CSV database we created through Browse.ai scraper, which we'll also going to be showcasing in this video. It can also do document search, so you can source the knowledge base, and it also has access to multiple large language models such as GPT-4, GPT 3.5 Turbo, and other language models, which is amazing. And I'm gonna be showing you guys the reverse engineering and how I built this bot and how you guys can build the same bot. And I'm telling you guys, these bots, StackAI is literally like amazing, bro. It's actually so good compared to like Botpress and Voiceflow. I'm sorry, guys. I did talk good about Voiceflow, but I do change my mind on that. Voiceflow is not really the best. It's really good for building the foundation in terms of like storing variables, doing API calls, functionality. But guess what? You can do all of that on StackAI, right? You got Zapier, you got custom API calls, so you can still do pretty much post calls and get calls. You can't do like post and update and patch and update, which they will probably add. And you have Gmail, you have Wolframe, you have Table Analyzer, and you still do have capturing information, right? So you can still capture information. Where is it? Let me find it. Oh, and these models already have pre-built translation engines in it. So it's amazing. It can literally speak multiple languages fluently. Compared to Voiceflow, it can't really do that as well. You have to set the language manually, right? So as you can see, it has also vector data store bases, which is important. And look at all these data loaders, right? So we have Airtable, Notion, so you can literally ping information from Notion tables, which is great for clientele and lead qualification, right? You also have Slack, and yeah, guys, like it, dude, I absolutely love StackAI so much. And let's go ahead and just show you why I love it. So I'm gonna go on my website that I created to showcase this bot. So I just created like a quick bot demo for like some real estate company, right? So we're gonna go ahead and just converse with the chat bot, and yeah, let's go ahead and just say hello. This is all from StackAI, guys. We didn't catch variables. It's doing that manually. This is how amazing it is. I'm gonna show you guys how it works and how just amazing it is right now, right? So there it goes. It asks us, what is your budget? Are you interested in buying or renting? What type of property are you looking for? Apartment, villa, etc. How many bedrooms you need? And look, I'm just gonna say my budget is around 5 million AED. I prefer 2 to 3 bedrooms, and apartment is fine, right? And it also responds way quicker now too as well, right? So let's let that load. The only thing I can say about StackAI is it is expensive, guys. It is like almost $1,000 a month, because StackAI is technically more advanced in terms of bot creation. And look at that, guys. It's pulling the information. It's scraping the information perfectly, right? So there it goes. And look at that, guys. It's working amazingly. And I did not even code. I did not even like actually built out all the logistics, right? Well, I did, but on Voiceflow, it's different. Like I actually did, build out the logistics on this bot, but on Voiceflow it's different because Voiceflow, it's so much more mundane. You can't really get, I don't know how to explain it. Like you get too in depth, but then it ends up breaking the bot because now you're leveraging the intent identification, and it gets confused with the language model. I think that solely leveraging the generative technologies rather than using NLP and NLU is actually better, right? The only thing you need to do is have the LLM be able to detect variables or functions and be able to store that information, which it can do. It has conversational memory, contextual memory. NLPs and NLUs don't really have that. They have that memory based in store of their language training, right? So look at that. It gives us the information, 3-bedroom apartment located in downtown Dubai. This is live, real information. And here is the link to the property. We click it, and let's see if it works. And look at that. It takes us right to the actual property. It scraped the website, and it gave us a real property. Voiceflow doesn't do that. And guys, this is, bro. Anyways, let me stop talking, and let's just get into how to build a bot like this. All right, so we're going to go and start with a new project, right? Again, you guys got to tag along with this. And so we have our input, we have an output node, right? So we're going to go ahead and just drag our OpenAI language model. I'd say 3.5 Turbo 16K is the best. And the system and the prompting is super key. This is where the bot's knowledge base will be and its instruction base will be. This is important. This is where you're building the bot mostly, right? So we're going to go ahead and connect this input right here, and we're going to connect the completion to the output, right? There we go. And when you guys go here, make sure you guys click the settings cog and go ahead and enable memory so it can have contextual memory. Okay, and you can close that, right? And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and get data loaders. So now we're gonna create our knowledge base, right? So we're gonna go ahead and use documents and searches, right? So we're gonna go and use some random real estate company, and let's go find one right now. All right, so we found a real estate website, and now we're gonna go and scrape this website information. We're gonna create a temporary CSV database so we can scrape homes from. So let's go and go to browse.ai, right? So this is gonna be our scraper bot. We're gonna click build a new bot. Browse.ai is free. I'll leave it in the description. We're gonna click extract structured data. So now we're gonna be scraping this website so we can actually have an information database so we can relay that to the user. Now you guys can use live API endpoints through the websites, which maybe they do have a live API endpoint. Maybe we can see it, which I do doubt it, which is obviously always gonna be the best scenario. So we're gonna go to network. We're gonna refresh the page and see if we can pull the live API endpoint. Let's see if they have it and if it is available. Okay, so no, that's the CAPTCHA. Yeah, so I don't think they do have a live API endpoint. I'll just click apartments. I'm trying to find the API endpoint. Yeah, it does not. Yeah, so okay, so it's just a CAPTCHA API, which I guess this is protected. Let me see. Background data, response, payload. Yeah, so they do have a blocker, so they are pretty much hiding their API endpoint with a CAPTCHA to remove spamming and proxy spamming. So we're just gonna manually scrape this website, right? So we're gonna click start recording task, okay? And we're gonna open up this website. Now we're just building our information database. We're gonna open our recorder menu, okay? Okay, understand. And now what we're gonna do is gonna click open recorder menu. We're gonna click capture list, and then we're gonna make sure that, boom, we want the entire list, all these items to be listed, right? Okay, that's perfect, good. Now we're gonna go ahead and get the key values. So we're gonna get the title, right? We're gonna get the price, visible text, does that have it? Okay, visible text. We're gonna get the bedrooms, we're gonna get the baths, we're gonna get the square footage, and then we're gonna get the secondary title. And we also want to capture the link, which is important, so we can relay that back to the user. And then we're gonna get the location as well. All right, and boom. Now we're gonna click enter to finish, and we're gonna do title, price, beds, bedrooms, bathrooms, square feet, features. We'll say title, features, right? So that's our title, features, and then we'll say features and location. Boom, now we're done. We're gonna go ahead and click 100. So now we have all these homes that we have. So it scraped out the key values. So we have the title, the price, the bedrooms, bathroom, square feet, and title features. And now we have all the links, location, and the features. And we're gonna do a pagination, so allows us to get into the next pages. So we're gonna go ahead and scroll down, all the way down, and we're gonna go ahead and click 1, and there we go. We're gonna name this Homes List, and we're gonna go and click Capture List. So click Finish Recording, and yeah, now it's gonna record, and I'll let it do that. Click Save, and now it's recording, guys. And while that's working, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back to StackAI, and now we're gonna build out the knowledge base based on our URLs. So now we're gonna go ahead and go to the main website. This is just some random company I found in Dubai. We're gonna go ahead and copy their main website, paste that in there. Make sure you do scrape with Apify, right? And then we're gonna go and get all their details, so our services. So let's go ahead and get to the services. Sadly, they have it all mixed out together. Dang, so that's actually is kind of annoying. They have it all over, spread it out, not just like one page. Let's see if, actually, let me see if this one works. Okay, cool. So we're gonna copy yo, he looks like me, what the heck. We're gonna go back to StackAI. Oh dude, hold up. No, Stack, don't do this now. Stack, don't be doing this. Oh gosh, it's doing this right now. So that's the only thing Stack is having problems with right now, is that it's having errors with the learning mechanism, which is not true. So we have to pretty much I guess you have to say we have to wait till this gets fixed. So oh, there we go, now it's working. Okay, all right, I guess it was just that specific link. All right, so let's do what about team? All right, so we did scrape about 84 homes. Wow, that's amazing. So the bot did a great job, and we're gonna go and download the CSV, and now we're gonna go back to StackAI. Now this is gonna be our scraping database. So we're gonna go and upload that to, all right, so we uploaded that, perfect, and it worked. And now we have to re-add this because I had to refresh the page. So we're gonna go ahead and go to team. We're just adding information. So we're going to team, management. We're just getting as much information about this website. All right, management. And personally, guys, with my bots, I build most of my bots on my own provider, more custom solutions. But this provider still works amazingly, especially when you want to give out demos and also build out even potential bots. Like StackAI is really capable, right? So let's see what else we can get. I mean, bro, you can literally scrape this entire website and get as much information you guys want on the company, which is obviously going to be the best scenario. So we get the rewards, right? So add this. All right, and we're just gonna keep it as that, and then we're gonna add the last main front page of this website. We're gonna go ahead and paste that, and now we're gonna go and drag this to the LLM, and we're gonna drag this to the input query, and then we're also gonna drag this to the input query and drag this to our LLM input query right there. Now it's connected. Now we need to add context to the prompt. So we'll say use URLM as your knowledge base to source and cite information about driven properties. Right, so we're pretty much using this URL knowledge base as our knowledge base to source and cite information to the client. So this is about our business, etc., and such forth, right? And now we're gonna go ahead and say we need to add more context. Scrape doc this variable, whatever node, to find property information and relay that back to the user according to the home details they requested. Right, so now what it's gonna do is gonna scrape this database we built and find homes according to what they inquired for, and then it's gonna relay that back to the user. This is our instruction dialogue, and now we're gonna go ahead and create our system personality dialogue. Right, so we'll just say you are a sales representative that works for driven properties. Your goal is to help customers find properties and schedule a viewing for that home. You will handle objections, digressions, and try to convince the customer as much as possible. Be professional and give short responses, right? So, and right, and now let's add one more thing. And you know what? I think we can just test out the bot now. So let's just go ahead and test out the bot and see how it's working right now. So we'll just say hello, and let's just test out the bot and see how it's working, right? So let's see how it is working just from testing it. Hello, how can I assist you today? I am looking for a home in Dubai. See how it responds. Perfect. So I can help you find a home in Dubai. Can you please provide me with some details about the type of property you're looking for? For example, number of bedrooms, preferred location, budget, blah blah. So say I want 2 to 3 bedrooms. My budget is 3 million AED, and I don't. Yeah, we'll just say that. So let's see if it can actually now scrape this database that we built and relay back the user the information accordingly and see if this works. Thank you for providing. All right, and it's doing this, and look at that, guys, right there. So it does pull out the information. So Dubai Marina, 2.8 million dirham, and it gives us a description, the location, XYZ Tower. So let's go ahead and make sure this is not a hallucination and actually see if this is a real property. So let's see. All right, we're gonna go into the let's go into the CSV file and find out now. Actually, I think this is it right here. No, this is not it. That's all right. Let me find the database, guys. All right, this is it right here. All right, so let's go ahead and find and see if it is a hallucination or not. So let's say 3.2 million AED. Okay, well, yeah, that's actually doing that doesn't really work. We have to find it manually. Let's just say, can you provide me a URL to the second property? Let's see if it does work, and if it doesn't, then we also have to rework on it a little bit. Let's see. Okay, so it is capping. So it should have it. I don't know why it's not working. Let's go back to our other project and see what we did right on that demo. So let me see. Documents search. All right. We're just gonna copy this. And then where's your LM? Okay. All right, now let's go back to our demo or bot, whatever. Sorry, wrong one. We're gonna go ahead and dude, I literally clicked Control C instead of Control V, bro. That's annoying. Dude, come on, bro. All right, I'm just gonna copy this prompt right here. I'm gonna go back. We're gonna go ahead and paste this. Wait. Right. And I think it's also important in terms of order. So we want to go ahead and put this as second order. And then we gotta oh, I'm bugging. Like, I didn't even have it. I didn't even add it, bro. I'm literally tripping. Okay, so now we have to re-add all the links, which is kind of annoying. So let me go and just add this. Just add that. All right. All right, so let's go ahead and retry this again. So yeah, guys, that was my fault. I didn't even add it. I forgot to add the node variable. So we'll say, hello, I am looking for a home in Dubai, Habibi. So let's see what it says. Can you provide me some more details? My budget is 3 million AD and I want 2 to 3 bedrooms. We'll just say that, and now let's see if we can actually get the URL information. And if not, I think we have to add the URL. I can certainly find you. Please, do you have any specific areas or neighborhoods in mind? Any area is fine. Let's see if it is working. Dog, embed. Okay, rest assured we will. All right. It's not being able to. It's not giving us the information. Give property information and URL. Let me go ahead and We're gonna try GPT-4 because I don't know why it's doing this. Again, this is just base model, guys. You guys obviously have to put more work into it, but this is like, look at how much progress we're making compared to like Voiceflow. And the reason why I love StackAI is because it leverages generative technology. Voiceflow, I always see people, and even in my videos, right? It's literally just buttons, and it's very closed domain. We need to be able to converse with the bot and keep it open domain and conversational. And leveraging generative technologies allows us to do that. But on Voiceflow, it's very hard to do that. It's very, closed in domain. I am looking for a home in Dubai. We'll try it one more time. And if I can't get it in this video, it does work. I'll show you guys in the other bot. You guys obviously just have to figure it out. Okay, so yeah, I don't know why it's doing that. It literally should work. Use doc, embed, documents plus search. Like, yeah, it should work. I don't know why it's not working. Whatever, guys. Like, again, you guys will figure that out. If you guys can't figure it out, leave in the comments below and I'll try to help you. But yeah, guys, besides that, we literally built an entire chatbot, and it does work. It can store and capture information, right? If you do want to specifically store information, right, what you guys can do is go to conversational form, and you can add that as well. So now I can collect variables, which is key. So like name, and it can send that out to Zapier, or it can just keep it in this database. And that's it, guys. That's how you guys build a real estate chatbot. It is working. The only thing you have to get down is the CSV file. I don't know why it's not working for me. It's being weird, but it did work in the other bot I showed you. Yeah, that's literally it, guys. It's like StackAI is honestly so much better and easier. It's only a little bit more expensive. Like it's like at almost $1,000 a month for all the features, but it's worth it. If you guys got clients, this right here is an amazing foundation. You guys can connect this with Botpress and Voiceflow and other providers, but you can even use StackAI as your main provider. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Love you all. And if you guys have any comments, leave in the comment section below. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.